Hey, what's up? We got a Infiniti G35. I believe this is a 06, and we doing bam, LEDs. So I'm gonna show you how to get this off without removing the bumper, because you don't have to remove the bumper. So on the top, you want to take out these right here. Take out the, you don't even have to, just take them all, just take them all off, all the way down. So there's a couple of clips. You got a 10mm bolt right there, which is that guy right there. Now, on the bottom, you're gonna have to turn your wheel, right? Turn your wheel to the inside, and you can get these clips right here. All right, pull that back. You got a 10mm right there, and another 10mm right there. See this hole right here? This hole right here, and then this hole right there. So you got a 10 right here and a 10 right here. All right. Oh, we're also changing out these side marker lamps too, which are just, you just pop them out. There's a clip right here. You just push it out from the front. Push it out from the front. Release your clip, and it comes out. All right. Anyways, so there's your 10 right there. There's your 10 right there. All right. Then on the side, you've got a 10mm bolt right there where that hole is. And on the front, you've got a 10mm right here and right there. All you got to do is pull it forward, and then you can just get your ratchet in here. You got to pull the bumper forward, and then I use an extension and a 10 deep, and then I just use like a short, like a swivel socket 10 to get that one out. Unplug this right here. Okay, then you have to switch over the ballast. All right, so you're gonna flip it over. You got these 3 bolts here, Phillips screwdrivers, Phillips heads. You got 3 right there. All right, so we're gonna unplug this, and then this plug is gonna go into that ballast. All right, but we gotta switch over that ballast. All right, and there's your factory connection right there that goes to that one right there. Okay, so I'm gonna switch these over, and then you gotta switch your light bulbs too. So you gotta take this off, just screw it kind of clockwise, and then. So what I'm gonna do is, start switching over these bulbs, and switch over the ballast, and I'll get right back to you. All right, so pull these out, right? Unplug it. Take these, and your ballast, you got a little Phillips screwdriver right there, and you got this plug you push down right here on that tab, and you can pull off your ballast. All right, then right here, you just take this, turn it counterclockwise, and pull it off, and then you just gonna pull this right through. All right, and just pull it through. So just fish it through here. So you got to pull it all the way through, and then you have to take it and feed it up through here. There's a little groove right there. See that little indentation right here? You feed that ballast line right up through there. It comes out right here, and then you feed it right through here. So once you get it right here, then you just push it right up through here, pull it through here, and then you just so that's how you do your ballast. And then your bulb, you got this little hook right here. You just push it in, push it backwards and out, push this one back. They're on the little, you can see it's on those little hooks right there, and you just take the bulb out and then transfer it right over here, and just same way you took it out, and it'll line up. You can see you got your little indentation down there. You got to line it up. All right, so just do that. Switch out this, and then I think you got another. Let me see. Yeah, we got to take these screws out right here for those 2. So you got 2 Phillips screws right there, and you're gonna take. Oh no, just push this little pin right here. Same thing with the other headlight. So you're gonna push that down and pull out that bulb right there and transfer it. All right, so we're gonna do that right now. Okay, see what I mean? Feed it right through there where that little indentation is, right? Then I got it right here. Now you can grab it, just feed it all the way up right here. Pull it out the top. Now you just connect it to your ballast right here, and then screw it down. And then this, you're just gonna turn it, put it back on here. It only goes on one way, but you can just line up the back and then turn it clockwise, and then it'll snap in there. And then I'll put the cover on, and then I'm gonna transfer that bulb. Okay, so right here on the back of the light, there's this little yellow connector. It goes right here on the back. There's a little clip. I'll just make it a video. So you put this little yellow wire right here, right there. See that little tab right there? You put that. So now this ballast right here is going to be your high beam and your low beam. Okay. All right. And then right here is you're not even going to transfer this light. I was making a video. So this right here, you're not even going to put that light in there. That's just going to be empty. You got this right here. That's nothing. You put that in there. All right. Boom. And now this right here is going to be your high beam and your low beam. So, and that's how you do it right there. So all you do, come back in here and put in your 10 right there, your 10 right there, and then your 10 on the side, your 10 on the top, and then just put your 2 10s right here and here, and put those back in, and then you can do your other side. You know what I'm saying? So don't put these in until you do your other side. But that's an Infiniti G35 headlamp, you know what I'm saying, without actually removing the bumper. You know what I'm saying? This is a spec D LEDs. All right, boom. Do the high and the low. All right, do the high beam, low beam. Okay, boom. Do it again. Yeah, that's it. That's it. That's it. All right, so this boom, 2006 G35. Hit the bright lights one time. All right, boom. Do your turn signal. Oh, I think you might have to turn it on to your turn signals. But you can crank it up though. We done. Okay. Yup. All right. Do your right one. Your left one over here. Yup. Good. But see that you ain't got to take off the whole bumper though. You ain't got to take off the bottom. Just take off these right here and the ones on the side like I showed you. And boom, you know what I'm saying? We put new side markers in, and that's it. And I showed you don't even need your high and your low beam is right here. So this one right on the bottom, that's not gonna be used. You know what I'm saying? So your high beam and low beam, but you got to put that yellow wire on the back in order for that to work. All right, thanks for watching the video. Peace.